Here's my audience. Imagine for a moment that you are a researcher and you have just made a discovery that could change the face of science as we know it. Will your results be known worldwide, or will no one clearly understand the significance of your discovery? My name is Allison Owens. I'm a senior chemistry major at East Tennessee State University. I am also a research intern at the Radiochemical Engineering Development Center at Oak Ridge National Lab. It's through these experiences that I've gained knowledge to the importance of communication in a science field. By the end of my presentation, I hope that you too will understand how important it is that we as scientists can effectively communicate our results, not only with each other, but to the public and to younger minds. Today I will focus on why it is so important for a scientist to effectively be able to communicate results. This includes sharing the joy of discovery, being able to justify the spending of public resources, and attracting brighter young generations to the science field. First, I will focus on the importance of sharing the joy of discovery. Science is a collaborative field. We as scientists must work together to further human knowledge. This includes being able to share results both willingly and effectively. Scientists share their results through lectures, oral presentations, poster sessions, and often at conferences. According to Judith P. Rhodes in the 2005 publication, Scientifically Speaking, proper communication is not only important in increasing scientific endeavors, but essential to improving the flow of information among scientists. Now that we have discussed sharing of information with other scientists, let's focus on sharing it with the public. Research is generally funded by government grants. The government receives its money from the taxpayers. It is generally agreed upon that public spending needs to be justified. Therefore, as scientists, it is important that we can explain our research in a way that the public understands where their money is going to. In The Challenge of Communicating Science to the Public by Charles Chappell and James Hartz in 1998, they frequently emphasized the need to, quote, unite scientists firmly with the public that pays for and ultimately benefits from their explorations, end quote. Now that communication with the public has been discussed, it is important that we look at using communication to entice a spark of interest in the future generations. The future of science depends on our younger generations. The science community needs more bright young minds to choose careers in science. According to Christopher Walkins in How Do and How Should Scientists Communicate, published in 2005, we as scientists should reach out to young minds through education. This includes being able to provide educational institutions with many presentations and projects that make students more interested in science. In conclusion, effective communication is of great importance in the field of science. We must not forget that the furtherance of our own research depends greatly on our ability to communicate not only with other scientists, but with the public and to future researchers themselves. Let's go back to the beginning of this presentation. And first, let me congratulate you on your discovery. Not only do scientists worldwide know of your accomplishments, but the public knows what their funding has been attributed to. And most importantly, you have helped several young, brilliant minds choose a career in science, just as you once did.